A woman has died and a young child has been rushed to hospital after a single-car crash in Upper Caboolture this afternoon. Officers were called to the scene after a white car crashed into a tree near Caboolture River Road, north of Brisbane, about 2:30 p.m. The woman, who was driving, was declared dead at the scene. The child was taken to Queensland Children's Hospital in a critical condition. Forensic crash investigators are investigating. Police urged anyone who witnessed the incident or has dashcam footage to come forward.